Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching Facebook posts in minutes? I'll show you how with Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Type Facebook into the search bar, then select Facebook Post from the options that appear. This will open a new Facebook post template. Next, we'll look for the elements and tools you need to customize your post design. To select the Summertime album, click on its cover. You'll see options to add photos. If you've just uploaded new photos, they will appear at the top of your gallery. Since this album currently doesn't have any pictures, click the Add Photos button, then choose any images you want to include from your recent uploads. Select this side to proceed. We'll use it as the main area for our demonstration in the following steps. Next, change the background color. Go to the toolbar and select the background option. Click on the color swatch to open the color picker. Choose your desired color from the palette or enter a specific hex code. The background will update immediately to reflect your selection. Continue when ready. Click on the item multiple times to cycle through the available color options. Each click will apply a different color, allowing you to choose the one you prefer for your selection or design. To add spikes, begin by selecting the object in your workspace. Go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down options, choose Add Modifier. In the modifier list, find and select Spike. Once the spike modifier is applied, you'll see control handles appear around your object. Use these handles to adjust the size, length, or direction of the spikes as needed. You can fine-tune the number of spikes by going to the modifier panel on the right and using the count slider. Try increasing or decreasing the value to get the look you want. For customization, adjust the randomness slider to vary the spike placement and length. If you like, you can also change the spike material or color in the Materials tab. To complete this action, start by locating the feature or option that you need. Once you have found it, click or tap on it to begin. Carefully follow any on-screen prompts or instructions that appear. Make sure to review your selections or inputs to confirm they are correct. When you are ready, proceed by clicking the Confirm or Submit button. The system will process your request and display a confirmation message when the action is finished. Next, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG for an image or MP4 for a video. Once selected, confirm your choice to begin downloading your image or video file. You just learned how to make awesome Facebook posts with Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.